Hello friends, today I am sharing with you a proverb: make both ends meet or spend within limits. This is a very important proverb or idiom we can say. So why I am discussing this proverb is it is about the spending our resources. The way we are spending our resources nowadays is a matter of concern, friends, because in expenditure or spending means we spend not only money, we are overusing water, air, or we are pesticides, we are over polluting our environment. These are the matter of concern. So that's why I have taken this proverb, this spend within limits. Friends, here I have collected few points. I have expanded here. You can add your own points. You can use these points for essay writing, letter writing, or for anything. So here resources means resources are very important for us. See, water is such an important resource. We have polluted all our rivers, and we are by drilling borewells in the ground, we are taking out all the groundwater, and the groundwater table is getting very lesser and lesser. And in the summer days, we are facing a fierce problem. In all over the India, we are facing the fierce problem. So that should not happen. Air is such an thing without which we can't survive. But the much we have polluted it is it is a very serious matter. Again, land, we have polluted it, overuse of plastics and everything. We have to use our resources, but we have to behave while using the resources. So about money means we have adopted a very lavish lifestyles nowadays. Everyone is purchasing from online. These things are going on. So friends, the important thing is that in India we spend very much on occasions or marriages. So see, poor people sell their houses and fields for doing their daughter's or son's marriage. Again, they get into debt and devastate their lives are devastated. This is not good. So we have to, if we use money wisely, then we can save ourselves and future generation. That is the concept of this proverb. So pesticides, we are, for our greediness has caused, we are overusing the pesticides, and we are using, and all the foods are we are using preservatives, and we are adulterating all the milk is also adulterated. We are giving injections to cows or buffaloes for getting milk, more milk. So these things we are doing, our greediness is causing the main suffering for us. Not only we suffer, our future generation also suffers. So medicines also we are using very much. That's also not good. See, our luxurious life is our luxurious life or lavishness is the main reason for this. Again, diseases are again happening because of all these things we are doing without any thought. We are not giving thought for our life and our future people. So plants, we are destroying all the trees. Forests we are cutting down so as to have good furnitures at our home. So we are meaning of the proverb is our and our future generation is in risk, friends. Let us save, spend within limits. Now I will read it out. Proverbs are the sayings of the common man. They come from their life experiences. This proverb says that we have to think while using our resources. Extravaganza or overuse of any resources makes its shortage and creating problems. Spending money without future thoughts makes the person bankrupt. We are overusing our natural resources for our luxurious lifestyle. Overuse of water is making groundwater level less. In summer we see water shortage everywhere. Excess use of automobiles for traveling, gases coming out of factories, and use of ACs and fridges are causing air pollution. Greediness of man to get excessive food production. He is using fertilizers and preservatives. It is harming land and himself. Adulteration of milk and overuse of medicines are dangerous. For luxurious lifestyle, we are over destroying forests. We are putting next generation in troubles. Let us think before spending. This is the meaning of this proverb. Friends, if you like, share with it to your friends. Thank you.